Scale drawings are used to represent actual objects in the real world. For example, this board is too large to be drawn in my notebook. If I want to draw this exact size of the board in my notebook, I will have to use a scale. In this video, we are going to look at how to interpret scales, calculate area and actual distances on the ground. Okay. This drawing of the park has been done to a scale that says 1 inch represents 0.2 miles. So we want to find the perimeter of the park. The perimeter of the park means was to walk all the 4 sides of the park. How much distance would they cover in miles? Let us calculate the perimeter in inches. The perimeter of the park in inches is so that will be 2 times the 8 inches plus another 2 times the 12 inches. That will be the perimeter of the park. Now let's simplify this. This will be 16 plus 24, and the perimeter of that park is 40 inches. But remember, this is a scale drawing. 40 inches is the distance in the notebook, on the scale drawing. 40 inches is not the distance on the actual ground in the park. So if you were to walk the actual distance on the park, if you were in the park to walk the actual distance, then since the scale says 1 inch is 0.2 miles, therefore you will walk 40 of the 0.2 miles. Okay, so 40 of 0.2 miles, that means you walk 40 inches. That means 40 times 0.2 miles. So remember, this is the same as 40 times 1/5. Okay, 0.2 is the same as 1/5, and that means you walk 40 divided by 5 miles, which is 8 miles. So if you were to go around that park, you will walk a distance of 8 miles. So that is how we can use a scale drawing and the scale to interpret distances on the ground. Now, when we do area is interpreted differently. To find the area of the park is 2 miles. So 8 inches will be 8, since 1 inch is 0.2 miles, so 8 inches will be 8 times 0.2 miles, and that will be 1.6 miles. Or if you decide to use fractions by converting 0.2 in as 1/5, then this is also the same as 8/5 miles. Okay? Same thing, 12 inches will be 12 times 0.2 miles, which is 2.4 miles. And if you were to write it as a fraction, that would be 12/5 miles. Okay, so the area of the park will be 8/5 times 12/5. And this will be 96. This will be 96/25, okay, square miles. Square miles. All right, and if you were to write that as a decimal, that will be 3.84 square miles. Okay, so that is how you can calculate the area on the ground given the the area on the scale drawing. Remember, on the scale drawing, the area will be 96 square inches. Okay, so let's look at method 2, where you multiply the area in inches by the square of the scale factor. Method 2, multiply area in inches by the square of the scale factor. So the scale factor says 1 inch is 0.2 miles. So area in inches is 8 times 12, which is 96 square inches. Okay, so actual area will be 96 times 0.2 square. We have to square it, okay, and that will give us 3.84 square miles. Okay, so now this will be in square miles now. Okay, so if you want to calculate actual area, you can first convert using the scale to the actual units, then calculate the area, or you calculate the area in inches or the scaled unit and then multiply by the square of the scale factor.